And it's a very simple interface once you get to know how it's used. You enter the title of your book and author name. So I'll go ahead and do that, and it's going to create a title page. Immediately after the title page, it'll add a copyright page if you want to. So you can edit this copyright page here. Go ahead and make sure it's included and hit the edit button. So here it brings up our copyright page. I can say copyright 2013. I'm just going to go ahead and type something in so you can see what it looks like. So we have that. We'll want a table of contents, clickable table of contents. And the way it is, you just add chapters in here. So I'll go ahead and remove that chapter just to show you what it's like. We'll add a chapter. And then up here you'll enter the chapter title. So this is what's going to be in bold. And we'll say sample chapter. And then you come in here and it's basically all set out very similar to Word in terms of the processing. So it's very powerful, and this is a program I recommend for people that don't have Word. If you're currently using Word, then it's kind of redundant to go ahead and get a program like this just for the word processor. You can use Word, export it, use something like Instant Formatter. But if you're using OpenOffice or something else and you don't want to spend like $100-something to get Word, and you're on a PC, basically if you meet those different criteria, then this is a very economical solution for you, giving you the ability to have a word processor and format for Kindle kind of all in one package. So I'm going to go ahead and say sample text, click here. Let's go ahead, you can make anything a hyperlink. You can right click or go up there and then enter the address. So just do something there and we'll save that. So that's our chapter, our sample chapter. You do it all like that, and I mean that's really it. All you have to do, and then save it. So this is called My Test Book by Derek Depker. I'm going to export this. Now here's the thing. I've tested every type of export format, and each one shows up differently in terms of the formatting in Amazon. The only one that I would recommend using primarily would be the doc format. That has the best appearance once it's converted to Amazon. So we'll call this Test Book for Amazon and Doc. And what I'm going to do is come into here, into the back office of Amazon, and let's just go ahead and take a look at how this is going to appear as an actual Kindle book. So let's upload this and take a look at it. Okay, so now we can go ahead and preview the book, and we'll see what it looks like. So My Test Book by Derek Depker, that's our title page that it's created from this information that we've entered right there. We'll go to the next page, and we have our copyright page that we added in, which is optional. Then next page, it has our table of contents with links that lead us to each chapter. So if I click on that, we have this, and that's what you can see. I just added in some text here. I spaced some stuff out, added in some bullet points, and you can see everything looks it's pretty much what you see is what you get in terms of conversion from here to there. So it's very nice. One thing it does do is it has a little extra space with the bullet points. Not too bad, just one thing that I noticed that it did when you export it as a doc format. So I stuck in a picture, that loads up fine. And sample chapter, we have sample text, and then the link right there, which is clickable. What I really like about this software is I was using OpenOffice before, and this is far, far easier to use than OpenOffice and way more affordable than purchasing Word. So that's what I love about it. And then of course it makes it super simple to format it in a way that looks good on Kindle without having to pay someone to do it for me. So this is Katie Publishing Pro. You can check it out by going to ebookbestsellersecrets.com/publishing pro, or go ahead and click the link below the video to get this.